Hello, my friend. Are your buttocks uneven and hurting like hell? Are you stiff on one side of your lower body? Then you may have uneven hips. Don't worry. Our friend Rudy's Fever has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you will feel with realigned hips. Let's get rid of that pain in your butt. Massage your hips up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage as strong as you can. Don't worry. 4, 5. Stretch to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on top of your head and stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand on your head and stretch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on top of your head and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand on top of your head and stretch to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands on your head and stretch in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to hold your head firmly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax and drop your hands down.